How much items do these boxes hold? This box I already counted. It has clothes and shoes. This box holds 18. This box is jeans, some shirts, pajamas. This is a blazer. This is a blazer. And these are just shirts. This box has 25. I think this box probably has a little bit more than that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 33 with a lot more space. So this box right here is hold 33. So let's say you're mostly doing clothes. Let's say you're mostly doing clothes and you buy one of these shelving units from Home Depot. I think this shelving unit was $170, I think. Don't quote me on that. And let's say you could get, like, let's say on average 25 per box if you're mostly doing clothes. Obviously a little less if you're putting shoes. This shelving unit, as you can see, I have it stacked too high. You could get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 40. Grab my calculator. 40 times 25, 1,000 items. There you go. It's very easy. Have them 2 at a time. If you need to get an item, you just do that. You still have access to all these numbers. It's a very good, efficient system right here. So 1,000, 2,000 items in this little space right here. Along this wall, we're working on 3,000 right here.